Hi, I'm Hayley. I'm the video designer on The Boy with Two Hearts. I'll be working on the creative captioning throughout the show. Creative captioning is a way of bringing captions more integrated into the design and world of the show. This is really cool because it's just way more accessible for deaf and hard of hearing audiences to feel more fully immersed in the production, so they're not having to look away from the stage all the time. Farsi is also spoken in the show, so the creative captioning will be a translation for anyone who doesn't understand as well. I'm really enjoying working on this because I think creative captioning allows for just a more immersive experience of the text and the story for everyone. It's also just an incredible story and one that needs to be told, so I'm really proud to be working on it.